Hey guys, in today's video we're cleaning my back patio, so if you are needing that extra motivation to clean and get ready for summer, then just keep watching. Starting out with a before clip just so you can see what it looked like before we finished this project. During the cooler months, the boys would come out here and play basketball a lot, so we had our table and chairs moved out of the way. And this video doesn't do it justice, but as you will see later, how dusty and dirty this patio was. I'm starting out by moving all the boys' toys off to the side of the yard, and then I'm going to give the patio a good sweep. This is an area where I don't clean very often. It's quite neglected, as you can see, but come summer we're out here quite a bit having swim parties, having family over and stuff like that, so it's just important to me to get this cleaned up so we're not tracking this in the house. Try to get the most out of our pool between the months of April and June, just because come July and even part of August, it is so hot. It's not even refreshing to go swimming in our pool. It feels like bath water. So comment below what are some fun things that you and your family love to do during the summer months. Spraying down the entire patio, including the windows, the screens, and the doors, and as you can see here, all the dust and dirt running down, it was so gross. The furniture around a little bit just to play with it and see if it would look better a different way, but I ended up deciding to keep it how it was. just finishing up by spraying the rest of the patio as well as our pool fence. It gets some bugs stuck in there sometimes, so I'm just spraying that down. And then I'm finishing it up by wiping down the glass door with some window cleaner. This is the brandless kind. And that is it for this cleaning video. Our patio is all ready to go for the summertime. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Summer is right around the corner, and hopefully this brought you some motivation to clean your outdoors today so that you can enjoy outside with your family this summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out all the other content on my channel. I do vlogs, grocery hauls, get ready with me videos, and I incorporate some faith-based stuff as well. So check it out, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.